So I'm here with Josephat Mandaza. We met 6 years ago, and Josephat is a Mbira maker, Mbira player. How long have you been playing Mbira?
Yes, since I was 11. That was in 1973. That's when I started playing Mbira.
Hey folks, Josephat's visit to Small World was quite unexpected, so I didn't have the recording gear all set up right, but I hope you enjoyed his playing. We recorded some more videos for the website, Mbira Online, and he had some Mbiras there for sale. That's what he was doing, he was bringing them to the place. And I've put an order in for 5 of those Mavembe that he was playing. But you can order direct from him if you want. I'll pop some details for him in the video description. We were planning next to go to Gift Chigedes, but Forward took ill, so he's dropped me off at Tute Chigambas. I've been here for the past couple of days and I've had a pretty magical time. I'll make a separate video about the visit here, and I'll upload this one and the next video when I'm back at Small World before we head off to Gift Chigedes. So we've postponed that trip. Yeah, and then I'll be out of signal for a while again. Super, cheers.